The McGill Curl-Up is the back-safe replacement for sit-ups, designed by spine researcher Stuart McGill to build core endurance without bending a sensitive lower back. Here's how to do it right. It trains your deep abdominal wall while your lower back stays in its natural curve, unlike sit-ups, which flex the spine over and over. That's why it's a staple of back pain rehab. Step 1. Lie on your back with one knee bent and the other leg straight, and slide your hands under the small of your back to support its natural curve. Step 2. Brace your core and curl just your head and shoulders a few centimeters off the floor. It's a tiny movement. Your lower back shouldn't move at all. Step 3. Hold for about 10 seconds while breathing normally, then lower with control. Switch which knee is bent halfway through your set. 2 mistakes. Don't turn it into a sit-up. The moment your lower back flattens or lifts, you've gone too high. And don't jut or tuck your chin. Your head and neck rise as one piece with your shoulders. Do 3 holds of 10 seconds, breathing the whole time, and build up the number of holds before you build the duration. Endurance, not burnout, is the goal. Posture 12 builds back safe core work into a 2-minute daily set and counts every hold. Free, links in the description.